Hey guys, welcome back. This is RandoGEEK. So it looks like we have some Samsung Galaxy S24 updates. Possible rumors on in this article are suggesting some features that we are expecting to see. Again, these are just rumors so far, so we don't know what's going to stay, what's going to go, and we'll just have to wait and see. But if you guys want to check out the article and get an idea of what it's going to be like, I'll leave a link for you in the description. I'll just go over some of the key points here that I'm seeing. So, we're finding out that the S24 series is going to have three variants and colors. So, they're saying the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra are going to be among the three variants. And then also, they're saying that we should see uh, several RAM and storage and color variants. So, recent links are hinting that the lineup is expected to expand RAM and storage on base devices. So, that's really good if you opt for the S24. You're going to get more RAM and storage than previous devices. So, looks like the S24 and S24 Plus are most likely going to start with 8 gigs of RAM, and then the Ultra model will bump up to anywhere between 8 and 12 gigs. Also, they're saying that there's going to be 256 gigabyte storage option. All right, looks like the colors that we might see are Phantom Black, Phantom White, Green, and then a few others. Basically, colors that we're already seeing in the S23 and S22 models that should be carrying over, so not much changing there. Whether or not they'll add a few more colors, I think the article is saying four more colors might actually be available from the Samsung website. They're saying so we might see additional colors now. All right. Also, they're saying that as far as the camera, I think they're saying that the camera will have a 200 megapixel, which is carried over from the S23, but they're saying that there's going to be an improvement with the sensor, and it means that there's going to be a wider aperture, which means that the overall reproduction of the picture will be better. So you're going to get a better, improved color reproduction. So if you're a vlogger or a photographer, you're going to notice that the quality of your photo is better than it would have been on the S23, even though it's still a 200 megapixel camera. So that's something to look forward to if you're somebody that really is purchasing the Samsung Galaxy series for the camera, which a lot of people are. You're gonna notice it's gonna be a little bit better than your S23. Also, they're saying that we're gonna get the Snapdragon 8.3 Gen, so the 8 Gen 3. That's going to be supported by UFS 4.1 storage. So that's something else. Also, the GPU is supposed to be 50% faster than Apple's Bionic A17 chip, which everyone is looking forward to. So that's something else that's exciting. If you guys are not sure whether to go against Apple or with S24, well, they're saying that the GPU in the Samsung is going to be better. So if you're somebody that's heavy on gaming or photos, you may want to opt for the X24 just because of that. A couple of other cool features. There's some leaks of the photos, what we might see the design to look like. Pretty similar to the S23. Just, some minor improvements so far. Of course, the chip. Then, of course, there's some price speculation. Pretty much very similar to what we're seeing now. So $799 for the S24, $999 for the S24 Plus, and then S24 Ultra for $1,200. So it's not guaranteed that that's what the price is going to be, but they're suggesting it'll probably be within that range. So again, this is all speculation. We're not 100% sure exactly what we'll see, but these are just some suggestions from rumors around. So I'll leave the link for you guys. You can check it out, and let me know what you guys think. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I think some things are going to change. I think that I think it's definitely going to be a beast phone. That's for sure. You know, I think that's one thing we can guarantee with Samsung is every year they're just going to keep improving until there's nothing left to improve. Um, but yeah, it's exciting. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. I'll catch you in the next one. Laters.